What's up, guys? It's April 5th. Looks like we had a pullback today. Excuse me. Had a good downtrend yesterday, so got an inside day. So yeah, a lot of selling yesterday. Pretty big selling on the daily chart. That looks pretty crazy. I still have to clean these up. I'm gonna clean those up tonight, actually. Yeah, pretty crazy selling. Then we got a gap up here. Bing bang. Okay, and then it has continuation, so that's good for the bulls. Bar one is continuation. It's a range bar. Bar two looks like it could be a pullback, or it could start to sell continuation, maybe a little down sideways. Excuse me, I mean selling pressure to sideways. Bar three looks like a breakout above the EMA. Bar four is a pause bar. It's a pullback. Bar five is continuation, and bar six looks like a pause bar. So these are the first six bars of the day. Look more bullish. Have really good closes. Small pullback. The market goes sideways for about 20, 30 minutes. 15, 30, 45. So about 45 minutes. Bar 15 looks like the market's trying to break out of the high. It becomes a bull flag here. Goes sideways. We have three pushes. Excuse me. Man, my throat is messed up today. So we have push one, push two, push three, push four, push five. And it breaks out and goes for two legs higher. Strong breakout, pullback. Bar 22 is the first bar touch of the EMA. The market hasn't been trending for over 2 hours, so that's not a 2HM setup, but it is the first touch of the EMA in bull trend, so that's the average price. That's the best price in the last like 20, 30 minutes. Bar 23, bulls bought the first touch and it goes for another couple legs higher. Okay, there's opposite bars here, but they don't break the trend line, so this could be one leg here. Leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. Or you can count leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. Opposite bars, but they don't really break any trend lines. After a big down move and a big up move, it's like a sell off into a pullback about 50% of the way there. So 50% was 52, 51.25, and that's where the market kind of oscillated around. The higher time frame EMA, 45-minute EMA, went right into the middle. So we have a sell off and about 50% pullback. Big down, big up, market goes sideways. That's a tight trading range. It's best to either sit, like new traders, including myself, should probably sit this out or wait for two bar follow through. So here's a good leg one, leg two, and then the market goes even into a tighter trading range. This is cool leg one, leg two trap, but excuse me, leg one, leg two. But if you get short around here, it could become a leg two trap, and you see that bulls bought bar 56, bulls bought this breakout right here. That was so crooked. Looks like they're buying around the previous touch of the EMA. So bar 22, bar 23 is touching with bar 55. Bar 56, bulls buy all the way into the EMA, and then they go for another two legs lower, leg one, pull back leg two, leg one, pull back leg two, and then it just goes completely sideways. It's hard to count legs in a tight trading range, but we can. So let's go over the legs in the market cycle and then just see what happens. So right away, I don't trade the first six bars of the day, but I do see leg one, leg two move. It's a trend, somewhat of a trend from the open. That's met here, or you could pull it from the low of bar 12. That's also met. You could also go for a range bound breakout, range bound. So go for a breakout target instead of a leg one, leg two, because the market went range bound here. Since it's tight, I pulled from the wicks. And then there's also this leg one, leg two. I didn't trade today, but I liked bar 23 the most. Maybe pull from here, excuse me. Here, down. That's met. You could take a scalp, you could go for a swing. We have multiple leg one, leg two moves within this. And what I mean multiple is like I'm still counting this like leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. Or it could be like one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. So there's multiple ways to trade it. Like one, pull back, first pull back air trend, that was met. Second leg. Eventually you have to ask yourself, when is it better to start fading these moves? And look what happens when we hit around the 50% level. Start to hit resistance. Bulls are going more sideways than trending bars, starting to turn into more overlap. Here it kind of looks like a third flag that fails right here. Two bar, reversal, leg 1, leg 2 for the bears. 2, and that's met. And then we can go another leg 1, pull back leg 2 here, but that's a pretty hard trade. You could scalp it though. Bulls also get asymmetrical leg 1, leg 2 here. This bar 68 breaks the trend line. And then it looks like another leg 1, leg 2. Really hard to trade EOD here. Probably sit out after the market had a big down, big up move. Where are we in the market cycle? Overall market cycle looks like we're starting to go range bound. We had a breakout here, broke out above the EMA, wedge bottom, broke out, first reversal, initiates channel phase. Now we've been channeling for a long time. After the channel phase, we go range bound. This also is the first touch of the EMA after quite a few days, so it'll be interesting to see. Here's the last touch. About 40 days since we touched the EMA, so it'll be interesting to see, do we channel in a broader bull channel now, or do we start to go range bound and start tagging previous failed breakouts for the bears, which ultimately became bull flags. Hope you guys can't hear my dog. Looks like bulls might want to retest this trend line. I've been riding this trend line out for a very long time. I'm going to keep it there. I'm going to make this chart look a little bit prettier. Let me know what you guys think of today. It was more of a quick day. Kind of a, yeah. So yeah, it was more of a quick day. Let me know what you guys think. Drop some comments. Let me know what type of trades you guys are taking. If you guys are buying breakouts or fading these type of moves, let me know what works. Have a good one, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Thank you for the support. Thank you for commenting all the time. I really do appreciate it. Make sure you guys use your stop loss. I hope you guys had a good weekend. Thank you, everybody.